Hey, I have generated some cool animated videos using this free AI tool called Genmo. I think it will be a great alternative to runway ML. Let's check out some videos I made with this AI tool. Now let me show you how you can use this tool and generate awesome videos for yourself. To use this tool and generate videos for yourself, open your browser and search for Genmo. Click on the first link. Now write your prompt into this box to generate a video. It's okay if you can't think of any prompt. You can use this button to generate ideas for prompts. When you have one, click this submit button to generate the video. It will ask you to sign up. You can easily do that with your Gmail account. Once you sign up, you can continue with the video generation. This will take some time, so please be patient. When the generation is complete, you will receive a notification. You can then preview it and download the video if you want. Next, I'll generate another video with my own prompt. Let's experiment with a different prompt. You can also change the aspect ratio, duration of the video, and strength of the motion. Higher for more detailed motion, lower for a more stable result. You can also submit multiple generations at once. Oh, I forgot to mention that you can also change the camera motion and visual effects. Let's try the same prompt applying this special effect and observe the result. Well, this looks really cool. Lastly, I'll show you how to make videos from images. Click this button and upload an image from your computer. Change the settings, camera motion and effects if you want. I'll leave the settings as default. Then click on submit and wait for the result. In terms of pricing, Genmo is free for hobbyists. You will receive 100 daily fuel which resets at midnight. Your video will have a watermark though. For an enhanced experience, you can upgrade to the turbo plan for just $10, which allows you to generate 10 times more fuel every day and removes watermarks. So that's it for today guys. Feel free to try the tool and share your experience in the comments. As always, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.